Hello, we are Aiwa, and today we are going to show you our new range of wireless TV headphones, the WHF-880 and the WHF-930. Let's get started. Time has finally come. You can now listen to your audio and video programs from your television with total freedom of movement thanks to these Aiwa headphones. There are two models with one unique difference. The WHF-930 has an optical input adapted to the latest television models, and the WHF-880 headphones is suitable for all types of televisions with line-in connections. Its strong box includes all these accessories. They work with radio frequency technology. And what exactly does this consist in? Radio frequency waves are generated when an alternating current passes through a conductor. In this case, they come with a transmission base that connects to the television via an optical or a line-in. Ideal to listen to the sound of a television, as you will not find any lag and its sound is very clear. Its range is amazing, covering over 100 meters. It is compatible with all analog and digital audio devices, be it DVDs, CDs, Blu-ray, televisions, DAB. Connecting them to any device is very simple. Connect the RCA cable on one side and the line-in on the other end. WHF-930 only. Connect via the optical cable. Connect one end of the cable to one device and the other end to the other. Its charging base and transmitter unit is ideal for storing and charging the headset after use. It has an automatic pairing option. The headset is ergonomically designed with soft leather ear cushions for utmost comfort. Not to forget the comfort provided also by the headband padding. It has a 3-channel RF selector for the transmitter and also features automatic level control for on-off control. Just as the name indicates, the automatic search function automatically adjusts the frequency. And the best part, 10 hours non-stop of the magnificent sound of your favorite TV show. In a nutshell, we can highlight its RF wireless system, its sound quality without interference, its great range of 100 meters, its automatic connection, and only in the WHF-930, its optical connection. And that is all for today. If you liked it, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to know about its availability, do not hesitate in asking us. And remember to activate notifications to know all the upcoming news on Aiwa. See you soon!